Welcome to the Interprise Suite presentation, eCommerce Part 2. Maintaining the look and behavior of categories and inventory items on your website requires no web development background. You can make these changes by using web options. When using web options, first define and set up your categories, then set up the web options for each individual item. Categories are used to help your customers navigate to the items they wish to purchase. You can assign multiple categories to the same inventory item. You can change the look of the category page on your website. You can control the SEO options so that you move up on your Google rating for specific category pages. To create categories, first plan the overall structure of your categories. Each category has a parent category. The highest level of category acts as its own parent. Create the categories and define the category page parameters, including accounting information if you break out sales by category on your profit and loss statement. Then all you have to do is save the categories and your website is ready to go. To define your category, we'll go to the eCommerce module and select the category option. We'll use Find Category to bring up an existing one. I'll go ahead and use the cell phone unit category as an example. So here's the details for the cell phone unit. You can see its parent category is cell phone. If I click on the sort order, I can see the parent-child relationship of all the categories. Then if I want to check it out for accounting, I can set chart of account numbers for any of the items associated with this category. For web options, I can change the XML package to change the look and feel of this particular category landing page. So right now, the XML package is one-line product list. So if I go to the website and I can see within the categories, these are the items, it's just one line each. Now if I go back to the base unit and to the category page, and if I change the XML package to simple product list, and I'll save it, so I'll click on save, then I go to the website and I'll reset the website, and notice the difference in look and feel and behavior of the website. As you notice, the change is immediate. And if I go back to the category page, notice you have the SEO options, so you can enter page title, keywords, and they'll show up immediately in the URL for this landing page. You can change the summary, description of the page, and also the image that shows up on that particular page. So you have all of that control right here. Once you have it the way you want it, you just click and save and close, and now that category page is immediately changed. Each inventory item has web options. You define web options separately for each of your websites. You define which websites will display which inventory items. You can define how the item looks on the website. When accessing a specific inventory item, you do it from the eCommerce module. Select the desired website and make the setting changes. Save the changes, refresh the website, and then all the changes will appear. When updating the web options for an individual inventory item, go to the eCommerce module and then go to the item option and find the item that you want to update. Once you see it, double click on it, and because we're entering the inventory item from the e-commerce option, the web options is the default opening tab. So this is what the tab looks like. The first thing you do is select which website you want this item to appear on and for these settings to affect. So let's do this, the retail website. The first thing is the XML packages. Just like with the category page, you can change the look and feel of an item based on the XML package. As mentioned earlier, several packages come with the system, or you can write your own. Right now we have product simple XML config. So to show you what that looks like, I will go to the website. Let me double click on the item. And then here's what the item looks like. The picture is in the upper left. Here is the summary. You can see the checkout and this smaller display. So if I go back to the item, now let's change this to simple product 2. I will save it, go back to the website, refresh. Notice the picture moved to the lower right, summary moved. All of this was done immediately from the base unit. So by changing that, you change the look and behavior of the website, and that change is in real time. So if I go back to the item, you have lots of options, whether you want this item to show on this website or not. If you want it to be featured on the home page, exclusive, you have other options here that you can check on. You can put date ranges that it appears on the website, and you have all the SEO options to show whether you want the keywords to show up in the URL, the title page, to move it up on the Google rating. You can also change the summary, description, and warranty, and you can use all the fonts and imports and inserts that you need. For images, you can upload images, and you can have those resized for the large, medium, and small. Once you make all your changes, all you do is go to the home page, save and close, and now your changes are permanently on your website as they affect this particular inventory item. This concludes our e-commerce Part 2 demonstration. Thank you for taking the time to consider Interprise Suite. For more information, please contact us using one of the following 4 sources. Thank you again.